So now the second step is to activate our G Suite account to then connect with Aweber and get done all the system absolutely connected between Aweber and Clickfunnels and have our machine to our clients. So now we go to activate right now, right?
Yeah, true.
So what we have to do is continue. Really good, really easy. And
okay, so basically go to your domain host website in a new tab. Okay, so basically we have to open ClickFunnels again. So please welcome go to ClickFunnels.
okay,
Yeah, and we have just log in ClickFunnels. Okay,
okay.
that's like the first step. And then after that, we go back to G Suite. Here, please let me see a little bit. Blah, blah.
Just follow these steps. Do that and it will work.
Yeah, basically, the G Suite is gonna detect that your domain is from DM Simple, but this is not true. Actually, your domain is from ClickFunnels. So you have you just ignore this, okay?
Okay.
Then after that, you have to sign out to your domain host. So basically, that's it. Just sign in ClickFunnels.
Okay.
Then you have to go to your MX records. So
that's important. MX record.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, what we have to do is to go to ClickFunnels again,
go to
and to go to domains. Then here in domains, well, you will find your domains. In this case, we're using the Delav funnel heads.
Yes.
You use your domain and you basically click here in the three dots.
Okay. Go here.
And then in edit.
Perfect.
And then you go to here where it says edit some records. Just click on expand and you're ready to go. Okay?
Pay attention here.
Okay, so basically now what it says is to add MX records for Gmail. Okay, and then okay, so basically we have to follow these steps. So we first select this strange link, then we go to ClickFunnels again.
Go to ClickFunnels again.
Yeah, you click here on a new one. In value, you just paste the link. In type, you select MX. Basically because here Google told me that I have to select MX, as you say right here. And in name, just leave it like that, like in blank, like that. That is okay. Then you just click save. And you should find your MX record right here. Yeah, here it is. Now we're done with step number 4. Now we have to do the same exact thing with these other links. So basically you just
that is important. Follow these steps.
You have to do the same thing with these other MX things. I don't know really what they are, but you just have to do this, okay?
And remember, that's because we need email marketing in our business. So if you don't want to pay the complete version of ClickFunnels, you must do this connection, because that's exactly the way how this business works. Okay?
Yeah, exactly. If you don't do this, your email marketing basically won't work.
That's right.
So you add that one, then you go to the second one, copy. Then here you paste it again. Type MX. Save. And now we do the last one. And that's it. Now we're done with the step number 4. We're on the right path. Now basically what we have to do is to do the exact same thing but with this other code.
Okay.
So we just copy this code.
Perfect.
and the type is MX. Yeah, MX. And that's it. Now you activate Vimo. Okay, as you can see that these all are added. So basically we're doing things good. We're doing things okay.
It will take like 1 hour.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, 1 hour here.
Okay, so guys,
So yeah,
in this moment you have to wait 1 hour to check everything, and just to wait a little bit. So we're gonna come back.
okay, so basically we ended up here verifying the email and the domain, but a problem happened here. I mean, basically that we got a message. We're currently unable to verify your domain or set up your email. You might need to wait longer for your domain host to update your information. If that doesn't happen, soon try verifying and setting up email again.
So that's really normal.
Yeah.
The connection between Aweber, Gmail activation.
Yeah, basically what happened here is pretty usual, pretty common. It usually happens a lot of time. I really don't know the reason, but it's basically that there's like a brook between Clickfunnels and between G Suite. So you don't have to worry about this. We have a very simple solution for this, because basically G Suite here is telling you that you should retry the activation.
Okay, so it normally happens.
If you retry the activation, there's a problem, and it is that you will have to wait 1 hour more. So
Okay.
you don't want to do like that process a lot of times. So basically, after one attempt, what we do is to contact support of G Suite.
That is very easy, right?
Yeah, we just contact them. We have a live chat with them, and basically we tell them that we're already done with all the steps for the verification, for the email verification and the domain verification, and they will help us pretty easy to basically to end up this process, this whole and tedious process for the activation of the email.
Okay, so now we're gonna contact support. That is very easy
Yeah, exactly.
between G Suite.
Yeah,
To-
we just go to G Suite. So I don't know, G Suite here on Google, and we basically log in. I will put this in English. Just put here sign in, the domain, so will be Delav funnel hearts, right?
Yes,
.com.
right.
We want to go to the admin console, but if you want to go to the email, right? Here are the options, but yeah, you just go to the admin console.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, and you just have to put your password.
So
Okay, so
we're
basically, here we are. This is like the admin console, and something that I forgot to say is that you have to set up your billing, because when you created your account, there is not like a billing option for you to put like your credit card and your payment options.
so that's really important to start using it, right?
Yeah. You will have a 14 days trial, but it is important because if you forgot to basically to pay, your account will be canceled, and that's pretty bad, of course, because your email marketing.
We lose a lot of time.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Okay.
let's try with the billing.
Okay, you wanna put your billing options first, or because we can contact support right here. It's pretty easy, right? Just clicking here.
Okay, let's go to support.
Okay. Yeah, just don't forget to put the billing info. Okay, here's support. So you have to hear the options, like you can do chat, phone, or email. I recommend chat, of course, is the most easiest way. And here you describe your problem. So basically, um, okay, so basically after we ended up verifying the email and the domain here in G Suite, we already contacted support. They helped us like in the final step to verify the email and the domain, and they told us that everything is good to go. But now there's a final step to verifying our domain and basically having already like all good to go. So we're going there, okay? So what we have to do is to go to Clickfunnels again. Now we go to account settings, and now we go to domains. We go to the domain again. So basically in this case is this one, delavfunnelhacks.com. We go to the three dots here, edit, okay? We go to the song records. We have been already there. Edit song records, expand. And there's a final song record we have to add. We basically choose here in type txt, then we leave it blank, and value we just paste. I'm sorry. And what we basically do is to paste this specific code. So basically this same code applies for everyone. This is a code that basically like allows that your emails, because you can see here that it includes Aweber and it includes Google. So basically it's like an integration code for G Suite, for Aweber, and for Clickfunnels. And what this code does is basically that it allows that your emails will not be sent to the spam folder. So this is very important, guys, because if you want like your email marketing to be good, if you want to like get a lot of sales, you need that your emails arrive to the inbox folder and not to the spam folder. So this code is very important. We will leave like Juaco will leave the code like somewhere below this video or something like that. Yeah, this code is very important. You just paste it right here, a txt code, and you save it. And yeah, that's it. That was the final step, like for finish everything regarding the emails and G Suite and the domain and all that stuff.
So that everything. Next video I gonna show you how to copy and paste to start making your sequence, and you are done. Now all the system is working. So also in next video we're gonna make sure that everything is working well with an example of a new lead. Okay.